delicious chicken marinade recipe. Introduction. There's something truly magical about a well-crafted meal that combines vibrant flavors, wholesome ingredients, and a touch of culinary finesse. Our grilled lemon herb chicken with quinoa and steamed broccoli is precisely that kind of culinary masterpiece. In this article, we'll take you on a gastronomic journey through this delectable dish, exploring its preparation, ingredients, and the delightful marriage of flavors that make it a must-try for both seasoned cooks and food enthusiasts. Grilled lemon herb chicken with quinoa and steamed broccoli. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 lemons, juiced and zested, 2 cloves garlic, minced 2 tablespoons fresh herbs, such as thyme, rosemary, or oregano, chopped 1 cup quinoa, 2 cups water or low-sodium chicken broth, 4 cups broccoli florets, olive oil, salt, and pepper to taste. Instructions. In a bowl, combine the lemon juice, lemon zest, minced garlic, fresh herbs, and a drizzle of olive oil. Season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper, then marinate them in this mixture for at least 30 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, rinse the quinoa under cold water. In a saucepan, bring the quinoa and water or chicken broth to a boil. Reduce the heat, cover, and simmer for about 15-20 minutes until the quinoa is cooked and the liquid is absorbed. Fluff with a fork. Preheat your grill or grill pan over medium-high heat. Grill the marinated chicken for about 6 to 8 minutes per side or until fully cooked, internal temperature of 165 degrees F or 74 degrees C. Discard any remaining marinade. While the chicken is grilling, steam the broccoli until tender, about 4 or 5 minutes. Serve the grilled chicken over a bed of cooked quinoa with steamed broccoli on the side. These recipes are not only healthy, but also delicious and easy to prepare. Enjoy your nutritious dinner. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.